I am Dr. Perez-Cuellar. I am an orthopedic surgeon trained in joint replacement and limb reconstruction. I like to listen to my patient and get to know what is their medical problem and what they expect from the treatment. I answer every single question, and my team is always available during the whole process. In joint replacement, you see immediate results. Not only relieves the patient previous pain, but also enjoy daily life, even sports. My international patients can expect a professional treatment with the best technology as if they were home. There is always someone from the team that speaks their language, and also all of our implants used during surgery are FDA approved. I have traveled to learn the best techniques in my area around the globe. I have the chance to visit hospitals in countries like Germany, France, Belgium, India. I belong to my Mexican Federation of Orthopedic Surgery and the National College, and I'm also in charge of the Orthopedic Surgery Residency Program at my general hospital in my city, which makes me be in touch with the most recent scientific information. It's always a pleasure to treat patients from different countries and make sure they get the best experience. After my patient returns home, my personal contact phone is always available.